Let's talk about schedulers on Polaris. I'm going to be using this ALCF Beginner's Guide as a tool to go through these tutorials. So feel free to clone these in your home directory. You'll see that I've already done this. So it's already there on my home directory on Polaris, and we'll be referencing these. So we'll go down here to the scheduler discussion. Schedulers are something that we use on supercomputers to ensure that people are fairly being able to use the machine. As you probably know, you've been assigned a project on our supercomputer, and you have some amount of allocation on Polaris, and the scheduler helps us enforce those restrictions so that people can't submit more work than they've been allocated. It also ensures that people can submit work and it will effectively utilize the machine. So it distributes that work in a way that makes sure the machine's getting the best occupancy and being efficient. It also makes sure that not one person can be using the machine for extended periods of time and monopolizing the resource, so that everyone gets that chance to get their science in, get their results out. So we use PBS. It's an open source scheduler. And I'll be going over the commands that we use for submitting jobs and for querying the scheduler. And we'll be doing that on Polaris.